Hey everybody, welcome to our Green Acres. I'm Teresa. Hope everybody's having a great Friday today, and happy Friday. So today's video is going to be a fun one. I got some inspiration from a video I watched the other day, and it was Christmas in July video, and the YouTube channel was Always Patty Ann. So she inspired me to make the rug that you're going to see in the video today, and I'm going to link all the information to her channel down below because she has some incredible Christmas in July videos. And I know a lot of us are, can't even think about Christmas right now with 100-degree temperatures, and we're in full-blown summer mode. But anyway, when Christmas does roll around, she's got the videos for us to get us inspired. So I'm going to start by showing y'all and kind of explaining the rug. But anyway, it's y'all will probably recognize it. It's a Dollar Tree rug, and they had these out last year, and I picked up 3 of them, and one of them is out on my side porch. So I may get it and do some little shabby chic tassels on it. But y'all just remember, when you're doing your rugs, you can probably transform just about any type rug as long as it's got a nice edge. And I've got a couple more that I want to do, and if I do, I'm going to video those and I'll share those with you, because the more inspiration we get, the better. But anyway, I just use scrap drop cloth because y'all know me, I've always got this on hand. But you could use any kind of fabric that you wanted to. You could do buffalo check, any color. So the sky's the limit on this, and I'm going to show y'all in the video, how I made mine and how many and the measurements and stuff like that. So if you do have these rugs from Dollar Tree, my measurements and stuff will probably work fine. So love the rug, y'all. And then the next one, I'm going to just take a thrift store picture frame that I bought last year. You're going to see the video. It was it was a very attractive fish. So anybody that likes fishing, they would have loved it as is. But anyway, I take the fish off, I transform the frame. Love the bones of it because it had a big chunky wood frame. And then I just got a free printable. And this right here is what just really sets it off. And this is when, after you get your frame made with your graphic in it, this is when you can really make it come alive. And that's what I'm trying to show y'all in this video, is the different colors and how you can do black and white. I've always loved black and white, and I've had a lot of black and white and a lot of black and white check in my home throughout the years, and it never goes out of style. And so it matches so well with so many different colors, the yellows and the pinks and the burlaps. So I'm just kind of showing y'all how you can just make your bow. And this is that burlap bow that I've showed y'all in a couple of videos. If you make these, you always have them on hand, and they pair so well with so many projects and looks so good on so many, different things. So I'm gonna pair the picture with a lot of things and let y'all see, like I say, the different colors that it really goes with, as far as the, the neutral colors and the blacks and the whites. And then this is just like an old wood napkin holder that I've had for many years, and I've had napkins in it and used it wood color. And I drug it out the other day because I thought, well, we need to really transform this. There's so many things we could do with it. So anyway, you'll see in the video how I'm going to stage it, and I'm going to show you different little embellishments because y'all know me. It's all about the staging, y'all. So I'm just going to put different little knobs that I had on hand and show y'all how you can kind of make it, a little shabby chic, or if you want to go more of the farmhouse, country French. This little box can be done so many ways, and you can use it for so many different things, not just for napkins. And you could also, print off some cute graphics you like off the Graphics Fairy website. I find so many great selections there, but you could even decoupage, an image on it. So, so anyway, and then these napkins, I was in luck because I got these at a yard sale back last fall. And I got 2 packages of them, and 1 package I hadn't even opened yet. But so that you're going to see these, with our black and white theme, they fit perfect today. So I'm going to get on with the video, but I'm going to do my shout out for my home decor page on Facebook. And I always tell y'all, if you're not joined up on Facebook with me yet on my home decor page, please go out and join. We'd love to have you. We'd love for you to share your projects. Love for you to go out, inspire others, encourage others. That's what it's all about. Crafting to a lot of people can be, like therapy. And I know a lot of days, you may have something on your mind, or just you just kind of want to stay huddled up in your house. I get into a project and it just really focuses my mind on something positive, and I enjoy it. So I want to give a big shout out to the top post this week, and that was Linda. And I want to give a big welcome to Carolyn, Debbie, Peggy, and Laura. Welcome to the page. Sherry, Sandy, and Amy. Amy made a footstool. Remember my footstool I made last week? Well, Amy has already got inspired, and I think she'd made the footstool actually before my video. But anyway, go out and check out her awesome footstool. Super cute. And also I wanted to remind y'all, if you're not following me on Instagram, love for you to follow me there at Our Greene Acres. And subscribe to our channel, y'all. We hit 10,000. So now we're going to set another goal for ourselves. Hopefully we're just going to keep on growing, make tons more friends. I feel so blessed to have all of y'all as my friends, and I consider you my friends. So I talk back and forth and get to know each and every one of y'all, and I really enjoy that. So it's truly a blessing. And so y'all, I hope you enjoy the video. I hope you get some inspiration from it. And as always, I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Okay, the first decor flip's going to be this thrift store frame that I bought. I paid $1 for it, and I love the chunky wood frame to it. And I'm going to show you how easy it was to remove the fish. I was trying to figure out what kind of tools I was going to need and didn't know how it was attached. But literally, I didn't even have time to film it. I put the screwdriver up under it and it prized right off. I've never had anything come off that easy. But anyway, the fish came off easy. And now I'm just sanding down some glue that was on it just to make it smooth. So when I paint it, it'll have a smooth finish. And I'm just doing real quick the candle wax method. I'm going to go over the entire frame. I go around the edge, and then also I'm going to go in the center because I'm going to distress the whole frame. And here I'm going to give it 3 coats of Rust-Oleum white linen. And also, if you haven't followed, or if you're not following me on Instagram yet, please go over and follow me at Our Greene Acres. And now the frame is dry. Now I'm just going to take a plastic scraper. And I've had several people ask me what kind of scraper I use. It's just a plastic scraper that is actually Pampered Chef. How you clean their cookware. And over the years, I've got like 3 or 4 of these. But these little plastic scrapers work great for this distressing method. And so here I'm just distressing it and giving it that chippy look. And when you do this, you can get it the desired distressed level you want. If you want it real chippy, you can. And if you just rather just have the edges distressed, you can go that route too. Here I've printed out a free printable off of Graphics Fairy, and I'm just going to attach it using some Gorilla spray adhesive, and you can also use some Mod Podge. Okay, now I'm going to take a sanding block and I'm just going to go over the graphic and really around the edges. This gives it more of a distressed look like the frame, and it makes it look like it's more made into the piece than if we just went and glued it on. So this part right here will just kind of bring it all together and make it blend in. Okay, the next DIY is going to be a napkin holder, and I've had this piece for years, and I've used it, as it is, but now it's like so plain, so let's, add a little bit of shabby chic to it. So first I just spray painted it with white paint. I went over it with some sandpaper to give it a distressed look around the edges, and then I'm going to add some feet to it with some Elmer's wood glue, and in the staging I'm going to show you the many ways that we can embellish it. Okay, the last DIY is going to be a Dollar Tree Shabby Chic Rug. And basically I'm just going to take a Dollar Tree rug and I'm going to add some tassels on the side. And I'm using some scrap drop cloth and I'm cutting them about 12 to 13 inches long and about 1.125 wide. And you don't have to do the exact measurements I did. That's just kind of what I went by, and I just eyeballed each one. And basically after you get about 25 per end cut, you'll just want to go and tie them all in a knot in the center. This project right here was so much fun and so easy. And I'm going to make some more rugs, because any kind of rug you have that's kind of plain, you can add any color, any type fabric you want to the ends of it, and it just really changes it and carries it up a notch. So here I'm just going to take some hot glue, and then I'm just going to start attaching each one, and I'm going to do this on each end of the rug. And like I say, my size rug took about 24 to 25 tassels per end, so it's just going to depend on what size rug you're working with. But y'all, this right here was a lot of fun. It's super easy and it went really fast. And I got the inspiration from this from a YouTube channel called Always Patty Ann, and I'm going to have a link to the video that I watched in my description box. And it was a Christmas in July video, and she did a Christmas rug like this. So that's where I got the inspiration for this.